new partner comes in, he brings in the cash. Okay, and when how to calculate now the new ratio? He has bought cash for certain profit sharing ratio. Okay, so as the new partner is admitted in the partnership firm, the profit sharing ratio of existing partner changes, and there is a need to calculate new profit sharing ratio including new partner. This ratio is used for writing of goodwill and capital adjustment. Now formula for calculating new ratio. See, when I said Ashok and Bhanudas are partners and they were sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. That is total 3. So 3 upon 3 will be 1. Okay. So let the total profit be 1. So for any firm we will say if the total profit is 1, so 1 minus share of new partner. Say if the new partner Ketan brings rupees 50,000 for 1/4 share in the future profit, that means he is going to share the profits and losses in the 1/4 ratio. So 1 minus 1/4, the remaining will be how much? 3 upon 4. Okay. Then what will happen? Then new ratio is equal to old ratio. Now Ashok and Bhanudas, I said 2 up 2:1 was their old ratio. So Ashok's ratio 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 4. That way it will come. Okay. Then same for Bhanudas, 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 4. Whatever comes. Now to make the denominator equal to the above, what will we do? We will multiply the same numerator to make the numerator equal to the above two partners. Okay. While doing the sum, I will tell you the calculations. Or if sacrifice ratio of old partners is given along with old ratio, the new ratio can be calculated as new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Now meaning of goodwill. Goodwill is the benefit, name, fame, reputation, image of the business which ultimately helps the business to earn more profits. It is also because of honesty, business ethics, and hard work given by all the partners in the past years. Goodwill is recorded on the basis of part performances, or I'll say last 5 years, 10 years performances. Okay, there are various methods of valuation of goodwill. For class 12th, the following two main methods are included. First is average profit method and the second is super profit method. Now we will see average profits method. Under this method, goodwill is calculated on the average basis of the past year number of years of profits. It is assumed that the firm will maintain average profits for next certain years also. And so goodwill is calculated on the basis of certain number of years purchase of average profits. So what is average profits? If suppose 5 years profits are given to you, you will add up those 5 years profits. divided by number of years, that is 5 years, and that will be as your average profit. I hope this is understood. If they have given 4 years profits, you will divide it by 4. If they have given 3 years profit, you will divide it by 3. If they are given 4 years profits and in that 3 years profit is given and 1 year's loss is given, you will add up the profits minus that loss and divide it by 4. That is known as average profit method.